Tim Bartz here at the Detroit Auto Show with more videos on the different Raptors. We said it'd be Raptor Day, and we are not disappointing. This is the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor. I think only about the second time we've seen this in public. We saw it at the Ford Nationals at Carlisle in Pennsylvania, and now here in person, and they actually have them running on the track. We might actually go for a ride in one of these here in just a little bit. They're riding these right along with the Broncos, which shows you the capabilities of this. Built in the same factory as the Bronco. It's your Bronco truck in a sense. So pretty cool on how this works. These start at $55,000, so a little bit less expensive than your Bronco down there. Same 3.0 liter V6 EcoBoost engine with your 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering 504 horsepower, 430 pound-feet of torque, so plenty of power, and all the off-road capabilities as well. So we're looking at front and rear differentials on this. Front and rear locking, so it's going to be able to take on those trails just like you're wanting to do. Also with this does have the Fox racing shocks with the live valve dampers as well, so just like you're seeing on the Bronco. So delivering all that DNA from the Bronco on over to the Ranger Raptor, which is really cool. We've been seeing this in Europe, and finally it's in the US. So check out the grille up here. We do have this, of course, just like I do with all the other Raptors, a nice bold grille up here with the Ford lettering up there as well. We do have, I like the wraparound LED signature lighting on this with LED headlights. Now, for all these Raptors, they pretty much come standard on everything you'd see on the Lariat trim. So it's going to be fully loaded at 55, which is a nice, when you look at the jump from Lariat to Raptor, it's not a big jump when you're getting all the Lariat trim equipment and then all the Raptor capabilities. Now this does have the Watts link suspension in the rear as well back there, which is new. We don't see that on many of the other vehicles. But it's very capable in that way. Now over here on the side, we do see the standard wheels, 17-inch wheel. Typically we see a 17 with a bigger tire. It is a 33-inch all-terrain tire on these as well. So again, KO2s here at McArthur, we love those tires. You do see the running board that's just typical of what you see on all the Raptors. A textured running board makes it easy to get in with that Raptor wording on the running board as well there too. Now, on the back, of course, Raptor graphics. This is I believe this has the standard Raptor graphics. There's some graphics package you can get as well, so a couple options on there, but this is what you're going to get as standard on this, and looks good. Of course, your dual exhaust here in the back with 2 tow hooks in the back, so you can pull out your friends when they get stuck back there with your, since you have that front and rear locker, you're not going to get stuck. Standard tow package as well on this, and you will see the blacked out Ford Oval as well in the back, and since that kind of sits out, it kind of really that really reflects and stands out with a nice Raptor stamped on the back, and Ranger as well, and you can fill this in with whatever color you want. Also, we do have 360-degree camera standard equipment, including the one in the back. When you go in that low gear, or low four-wheel drive, I should say, you're going to get that front camera, that trail camera, to help you out being able to navigate through the trails. Of course, we did look at this, the inside of this bed yesterday on another Raptor that, actually that video won't be out. It wasn't out yesterday. It's coming in the future. But I love the tailgate. There is a ruler across here. We do have the openings, so a lot of the things we brought from the F-150. Also LED bed lighting as well. That's a standard equipment on this too. And some great features. We do have outlets and power points in the back here. And of course on the inside, we do have dual 12-inch screen. So we're getting a 12-inch productivity screen, 12-inch center stack screen, which is a portrait style. So they have left nothing off there. So let's actually look inside a little bit. Do like the look of this, the shifter, just on the Lariat trim, has that really cool shifter. I don't know what you'd call it, but man, it looks great in here. Black accents with the orange accent as well on these seats. Looks like they're leather trimmed with some suede inserts in those seats. Raptor on the back of them, nice orange accents all over the place. Even have your Raptor there on the steering wheel, giving you all that great look. And then of course the orange marker at the top, so you know when you're on the trail where your straight is when you're turning and going off-road. Very valuable when you're on the trail. Also, all the black accents on the dash and across there, and just great textures on it, and a great finish here on the interior as well. So they have left nothing behind. Not only capability of the Raptor, also the nice convenience features that you get from the Lariat trim make this a really great buy at $55,000. Now, if you're wanting one of these, we know that dealers can get more allocations coming real soon. Here fourth quarter, so anytime now. So we'll hopefully get some more allocations for you, and you can order one of these at McArthur Ford here in the near future. So pretty cool truck, and Yeah, I think that's what we have on the Ranger Raptor. So very dependable. It's great seeing this in person, and it's living up to the hype, definitely. So if you want to get that, I know a lot of people are on a wait list to get that Ranger Raptor, but you can get one at McArthur. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, notification turned on, so that you'll miss any of these New York Auto Show series videos. We've got a playlist going on all those. Check those out, and until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you on the next video.